Mabisang panglinis ng mga luggage nyo or mga maleta nyo para magmukha ulit na bago. Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alvin, isang OFW and YouTuber dito sa Dubai. And for today's video guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ang pinaka-effective way kung paano linisin or tanggalin ang mga alikabok sa mga maleta nyo na nakatago ng halos 2 taon at para maging mukhang bago ulit. Especially sa mga katulad nating OFW na halos once a year lang or once in 2 years lang nagagamit ang mga maleta natin para magbakasyon sa Pilipinas. So, nai-stack lang guys ang mga maleta natin kapag nandito tayo sa abroad ng halos 1 hanggang 2 taon, kaya kapag kukunin na natin ay sobrang kapal na ng alikabok gaya nito. Take note guys, sa paglilinis ng maleta, especially kung tela ang maleta nyo gaya nitong sakin, ay wag na wag nyong gagamitan ng basang tela or towel. Dahil guys, lalong hindi matatanggal ang mga alikabok nito. Kasi guys, kapag ginamitan nyo ng basang tela, ang paglilinis ng maleta nyo ay magiging parang putik ang alikabok at papasok sa pinakatela nito. At kapag tumagal guys, ay babaho ang maleta nyo at parang magiging lumang-luma na ito. So, ano nga ba ang kailangan para linisin ang maleta? Ang kailangan nyo lang guys is vacuum cleaner. Yes guys, vacuum cleaner lang ang kailangan nyo para magmukhang bago ulit ang mga maleta nyo. So, tara guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginawa. So, gamitin nyo muna ang mga vacuum cleaner ng mga amo nyo, especially sa mga katulad ko na nagtatrabaho sa bahay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can...
Oh my God! Wow!
So, ayun guys, kung makikita nyo ay naging mukhang bago ulit ang maleta ko. So, kapag nagkaroon ulit ng alikabok, ay ganun lang ulit ang gagawin nyo. Pero guys, mas better na after nyo gamitin ang mga maleta nyo, ilagay nyo muna siya sa plastic bago nyo ilagay sa storage room. Pero kasi guys, minsan sa sobrang lalaki ng mga maleta natin ay wala tayong makitang malalaking plastic para ilagay ito. So napapabayaan na lang natin guys, kaya minsan ay nagkakaroon ng sobrang kapal na alikabok. So ayun guys, sana nabigyan ko kayo ng konting idea kung paano linisin ang mga maleta nyo, especially sa mga katulad ko na OFW sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys. See you next time!